Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reacting to the funniest animals on the internet. So if you want to see more of these, please like and subscribe. And let's just get straight on to the video. But first, I have 5 lives, and if I laugh 5 times, I have to eat something really, really bad. Okay, let me replay, because...
Oh my god.
I think the bird just... That's not getting me. Is that dog okay? Dang, he just got pawed.
Excuse me! No! No!
Oh no!
Come here.
Hold on. This is a 15-minute video, but I'm probably not gonna do that. It's not this. Look at this. The noise it made at the end, though. What? I have 4 lives. Just wait until I have to eat that mystery thing.
Come here. Come here.
Aw, the cat.
Oh my gosh, animal.
No.
Ow!
You want a treat? Let's go.
Oh. Oof.
Inspecting.
Oh.
Oh my god, who ate?
You know, that cat reminds me of, like, if there was just a jump scare and the only thing in the bedroom was a cat and it was just very dark, you just see that, like,
Pizza.
scares.
No way!
Can I pet your dog?
Let me go back. Let me go back.
No way!
Can I pet your dog?
No. 3 lives. No. I don't want to do this. Oh my gosh. What is that? Why are you slapping me?
Oh my.
Playing through, boys. Oh!
Oh.
Strider! Get out of here. I'm in the bathroom. Hey, out.
Oh, he's bathroom.
You're seeing your own reflection.
Oh my god.
Jump scare. Look at him. He's swirling. Ooh.
No.
Nah.
What in the is going on, dude?
Bro, how do you even get up there?
Oh my god.
How are we gonna get him down?
No.
What the is a turtle doing up a telephone pole? How the
Yeah, I'm blurring out any bad words.
Sharon, are you seeing this? I finally, whoa, I finally got it after all these years.
No
Okay. Hey, John, check it out.
Sneaky. He's like, why are you touching me?
Oh wait, is it real? It's real.
It's a whole burger. That's a mad bird. Why? It's just... The horse is... Let me try and find it. It's just biting air. It's like... That's terrifying.
If you're gonna be stupid, you better be tough. Stop.
Dog's wearing pants. Dog's having fun.
We'll swap.
Swap.
I can't get that back now.
Is it a snapping turtle? Yep.
Saute, saute, walk through, saute, walk through.
Dancing.
En arrière. En arrière.
Who are you? Dobby.
That's so cool. That's so mean. The dog's mimicking her. Huh? Here. They're battling now. Oh my gosh.
Nigel!
You're a monster. What did you do, Burke? What did you do?
Oh no!
Poor dog.
Free. Say love.
Happy birthday.
Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Good morning, sunshine. Okay. Good morning, hugs. Okay.
It's Jesus Duck. He's standing on the water, dude. It's Jesus Duck. Holy.
Whoa. Dog got some moves. What were they doing? Ow. I either have like 1 or 2 lives, I don't know right now. But after a couple more clips, I'm gonna... No.
Oh my God, se le salió la salchicha.
Guys, my dogs are so cute. Look, they're just chilling in here. Ah, they're adorable. I'm just gonna shut the door so that way they have some privacy in there.
Happened? She's trying to eat her face.
Hi, Max. Hi. Oh my God. Hi.
Ooh. What, are they smelling the door? Does it smell good?
Charlie.
Ooh. Oh my. What is that cat doing? Oh my. But if you guys have enjoyed, please like and subscribe. If you want more, like this video, comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. I ended up with 1 life left. So, and it was gonna be hot sauce that I was gonna do. Just a spoonful of hot sauce. But I don't have to do that, so I'm good. But if you guys have enjoyed. Please comment down below. Tell me your thoughts.